Good morning, guys. It is, I don't know what date it is, but I know it's Friday. Yay. And today, I'm going to try and clean off my luggage. I would say if you buy luggage, try and get black. I got my favorite color, red, and I got some black luggage too. But the check bags, they go through crazy stuff, and now I have all this black stuff on one of my check luggages. So we're gonna see if we can clean it. We got nylon luggage. My husband really doesn't like the hard back luggage, so we got nylon, which was fine with me. I really didn't care. But this is nice luggage, Victorinox, and I would like to keep it for as long as possible. So we're gonna try my tried and true thing, my Dawn. Dawn works on my couch. It works on getting stains out of all type of stuff. So let's see if it works on my nylon stuff. Try and clean this thing. But I would recommend getting black luggage if it's nylon and you want to check it. So let's go for it. All right, guys, you can see how dirty that is. Look at just the dirtiness of it. Let me try and get it in the light so you guys can see. Okay, so I'm gonna try and clean it. And when I went on the website of Victorinox, it said not to spot clean. It said to do the whole thing so that you don't have like discolorations. So I'm gonna start off using this end and see what I can do. No, I have not tried this yet. This is new for me, guys. I thought I'd try it with you guys to see if it works. By the way, I don't know what this black stuff is. I just know that it came from the airline. All right, guys, I'm not quite sure if that actually worked or not. Doesn't look like it did, though. So what I probably should have done was looked up what is the black stuff on my luggage from the airport. Okay, some people actually did say use Dawn. Some people said use Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. I'm going to try and keep working with it and wait for it to dry and see what I'm left with. And I'll try the Magic Eraser. I actually have some of that on hand. What you need, sweetie? Excuse me. I am still sick. Can you believe that? I did go to the gym though today. I still have my nifty hauls. You know, on hauls, they have little things on here. That's like says, a pep talk in every drop. You can do it and you know it. Go for it. You've survived tougher. It's pretty cool. They're different on each one too. But yes, I'm gonna wait for that to dry, and then I'm gonna try the Magic Eraser because I still see the black marks, sort of. Maybe I need more elbow grease. But I'm pretty worn out now. Yeah, I'll have to come back and tell you how it works when it dries. And if this is a good solution. I keep looking back because it's right behind me. If this is a good solution for getting out the black stains off your luggage, which I so want to come out and have my pretty luggage back. So I will get back to you once it dries, and then we'll try something else. All right, guys, it dried. And as you can see, it really didn't work that well here. But let me come out a little bit. down here, it got it a bit off. So maybe I just need more elbow grease. But I'm trying my magic eraser now. Well, we can see that it definitely is leaving white parts. But I will say this, look at that. Something is coming off. Okay guys, we will see if that works. I'll let it dry and see, and yeah, we'll see. All right guys, I got this hyped up on my bar stool, and let's see if I just put water all on it and just start scrubbing, what's gonna happen. All right guys, it looks totally clean, doesn't it? I'm gonna wait for it to dry, and then I will show you guys the finished product. But it totally looks like I got everything out, and all I needed to do was really drench it in some water and soap. I did, however, put a towel underneath it, and because it's dripping water and the dye is coming off just a little bit, I see some red, which is not a big deal to me. OMG guys, completely worked. Dawn, amazing. Best cleaning product ever. The black stuff came out. I just needed to drench it and to really give it some elbow grease. So I hope this helped you guys, because even though we all know that we're checking luggage at the airport and it can be beat up, you still want your luggage to look nice when you put your clothes in it and you're, wheeling it down, especially if you spent a pretty penny on it. So yes, this is how I clean my nylon luggage. Now, I didn't have to do anything to the black luggage. As you saw them together, the black luggage probably has black stuff on it, but you can't see it because it's just black luggage. So let me show you the final product, and I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope it works for you too. Look how clean that is, guys. That's amazing. All right, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.